myself Amit Kumar, working as assistant professor in civil engineering department. Today we are going a topic on beam, which are in structure mechanics. So first is beam and types of beam on this lecture. So beam, what is beam? Beam is defined as beam is a horizontal member which are subjected to transverse load is known as beam. And types of beam, different types of beam: simply supported beam, cantilever beam, continuous beam, overhang beam, and fixed beam. In this case of simply supported beam, in this case the beam are supported on two supports. The beam are supported on two supports. This is known as simply supported beam. On the other hand, cantilever beam, in this beam is two end. This will be denote fixed end and other end is free. In this case, one end of the beam is fixed and other end is free. And this will distance effective span of the beam. This is also L effective, which means that effective span of the beam. That is center of the support to the center of the other support is known as L effective. And continuous beam. In this case, the beam are supported on two or more than support is known as continuous beam. This is continuous beam. And overhang beam. In this beam, the beam are supported on two support, and this portion the do not support. This is overhang portion, or other case this is also overhang portion, and this will be support on the beam. And fixed beam. In this case, the the beam is defined as one end fixed and other end also fixed. This is the fixed beam, and this distance L effective distance between one spot to another spot is effective span of the beam. So simply supported beam, cantilever beam, continuous beam, and overhang beam and fixed beam. So thank you very much.